Your early morning urine is very effective in clearing cobweb attack. For those who don't know anything about cobweb, or you have not experienced cobweb before, cobweb is a way to bring you down. Is a form of spiritual attack. The evil people attack you with cobweb. Whenever you want to achieve something meaningful or you want to do something meaningful, they attack you with this. The essence of cobweb is that it entangles you and you will not be able to progress or get out of that problem. Hi, you are welcome back to our channel Smart Idea TV, where we talk spirituality. Today I'm going to be showing you a very simple recipe to clear cobweb attack. Some people might be asking me, what do you mean by cobweb attack? Cobweb attack is very simple. If you see cobweb, maybe you just step out of your house, you see cobweb covering your face, or you are just passing on a road that a lot of other people have passed before, nothing happened to them. You passed and you see cobweb covering you. Or in your dreams, you are always seeing cobwebs attacking you, covering your face. Or you dream, in your dream you cannot stand up, you wanted to run, you cannot run, something is pinning you down. This is also cobweb attack. Cobweb attack comes in different way, but it means a lot of things. But the simple thing that it means is retrogression, backwardness, lack of progress. The evil people attack you with this. They don't want you to progress. And anytime you see cobwebs covering your face, especially in the daylight, in the afternoon, or outside, or in your dream, please just do this simple recipe. It's not a normal thing. Cobweb attack is not normal. It's very powerful, it's very strong. It can bring you down, it can bring your progress down. When others are making it, you find it difficult to make it. And in this recipe, I'm going to be sharing two simple ways or two simple recipes to clear this spiritual cobweb attack. And what are the ingredients we are going to be using? I told you I'm going to be giving you two recipes. One, I'm going to be giving you the urine recipe and the coconut water recipe. These two recipes very powerful. So you can get coconut, a coconut, one whole coconut, just coconut like this. You see coconut, you see big coconut that has water. You are going to be needing that. Then two, you are going to be needing your urine if you can get it. Now let's get into it. The first one is using your urine, and in this case you are using early morning urine. The early morning urine, whenever you dream or whenever you've been facing this attack, seeing cobwebs everywhere, then if you wake up very early in the morning before talking to anybody, then just collect your urine, collect it and use it to wash your face. Use it to wash your face very well. Use it to wash your face very well. You do this early in the morning, and you can do this consecutively for 7 days, for 7 days, for 7 days. But you cannot keep it. You cannot keep the one you collect. If you collect this morning, you cannot keep it. You have to use the whole thing. Then the next day you get another one, you use it. The next day you are going to be doing that for 7 days, and it will get rid of cobweb attack permanently. It gets rid of it permanently. It doesn't come again. Early morning urine or your urine is a very powerful antidote against poison, against spiritual attack, or against warfare. Any warfare, urine is very powerful. So you can do it in the morning, early morning urine. and you do it consecutively for 7 days. Now, the second recipe is coconut water. All you need to do is just get one coconut, one big coconut. I'm going to be showing that here. One big coconut. Once you get it, now use something. There's a 3 eyes. We call it 3 eyes of the coconut. I'm still going to be showing you. Just pierce it. Look for something sharp and a sharp object. Use it to pierce one of the eyes and take the water. Use the coconut and take the water to just first round your head 3 times, then pray into it that any form of setback, any form of negative setback, spiritual attack in form of cobweb or anything, let it get away. You have to say this, you affirm, you really is a serious command and affirmation. You command it, then you take the water to wash your head from head to your face, from your head to your face. It's very effective when you wash the whole head to this side. From here, wash everything to this side. If you are a lady, you have a weave on, you cannot do that. Then use it to wash your face. Use it to wash your face very well. Then go ahead to do this for 7 days. So you don't have excuse. You have 2 recipes now. If you cannot do one, then you'll be able to do the other. The first one is very simple. You are not getting any coconut, and is your urine. You are getting it. But the second one is more easier to do. All you need to do is get coconut. It's even good to have coconut in the house, because coconut is a very good spiritual recipe. It's a very powerful and important spiritual recipe that you must have in your home. Then get it and use it to wash your face. It's as simple as this. By the way, if you are new to this channel, consider subscribing. Click the like button, click the share button, then leave your comment. Go to the comment box. Let me know whether the type of cobweb attack you've been having. Let me know in the comment box, or let me know again in the comment box whether you have used this before, or you are going to use it, or you have used it. How is it? Let me know. Go to the comment box and put in I've done it, or just go to the comment box and tell me thank you, and I'll be very glad. This will help YouTube to suggest this video to a lot of people who are suffering from this same spiritual cobweb attack. If you enjoy this one, then you definitely enjoy this. Until I come your way again, remain spiritually intelligent, and don't forget, we can succeed together. Thanks.